Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you the last step. That's how to create the title page, the letter of reflection, and also your table of contents for your multi-genre paper. So let's first talk about creating a title page. The title page, at a minimum, needs an interesting title related to your topic, and it needs your name, date, and period. Optional but recommended is including a picture related to your topic. So let's go ahead and look at mine and see what I put for my title page. Here's my interesting title. I didn't just put multi-genre paper. I actually have a title specific to my topic, which is community and the individual. I have pictures of a couple of my source authors, Martin Luther King Jr. and Amy Tan, and I have my name, date, and period. Next is the letter of reflection. That's the second page of your multi-genre. For your letter of reflection, these first two bullet points is actually pulled from this document that's in the purple multi-genre folder in Schoology. I just copied this part right here, pasted it onto this slide here if you want to look at that document later. Once again, that's in the purple multi-genre folder. You want to begin with Dear Reader, and then you want to reflect on your multi-genre paper in a way that persuades your audience to want to read it. The following are questions that can guide you in completing this letter. It's not necessary to answer all these questions. I'm probably just going to answer 4 of them. So here are the questions. With what did you struggle the most when completing this project? How did you come up with your blenders and chunks? What are your favorite pieces and why? What did you include and why? What did you discover as you completed this project? What should we expect when we read your paper? What is the most important point you want to make about your topic? How does this topic affect you? Then you want to sign off your letter with sincerely and your name. Kind of like if you were writing an email to somebody important, you would start your email with Dear whomever. You would have the body of your email and you would sign off with respectfully, and then you would put your name, or sincerely, and you would put your name. So let's see what I have so far of my letter of reflection. Here it is. I have the date, Dear Reader. My first paragraph is actually answering this first question with what did you struggle the most when completing this project? My second paragraph is the question about what are your favorite pieces and why? My third one, my third paragraph is answering what did you discover as you completed this project? And then probably I'm going to answer this last question next. And then once I'm done with my letter, I cannot forget to put sincerely and my name. And finally, the table of contents. So the table of contents is, the contents of your paper. So you want to include all your blender titles and then all your chunk genres and titles. Sometimes you might not have a title, you just have the genre. Let's see what I have so far on my table of contents. Remember, this is the third page or the third element. So I have my first blender and its topic. See right here, I just put that right here on my table of contents. Then I put my first genre, which is the journal entry. I don't have a title for this one, so it's just called journal entry right here. Then I use spacebar and period over and over again and put the page number, because if you look at the bottom of my first Blender page, it's on page 3. And so my journal entry is on page 3. And I just go to insert page numbers in order to get the page numbering correct on my pages. And then next I have my top 10 list on one person making difference. There it is. Then I have my dictionary definition. There it is. And then I only have one chunk started in my second Blender, which is small community. There's the page number. I still need to put down the items from my third blender. So I have third blender, global economy. So I'll just go back here. Whoops. Global community. And then I start putting in my third blender chunks, which are my topic informational mini research paper. And this is on page 5. I'm just going to cheat here and copy this. I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then I would do this with my other 2 chunks or my other chunk, and then I would be done with my table of contents. So once again, if you have any questions, please feel free to chat during class, put it in the private chat, or you can email me or ask in class by unmuting yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.